This morning, I took the Neo 2 with me almost as an afterthought. One of my sons had the sudden idea to take a New Year's dive, and while we rushed out the door, I slipped the tiny drone into my bag, just in case. At the lake, the wind was stronger than I expected. Cold, sharp, pushing against everything. Not exactly ideal conditions for a drone this small, but that's what made it interesting. Flying low along the edge of the water, I could feel the Neo 2 fighting the gusts, trying to hold its line, trying to stay steady in the cold morning air. And yet, it managed. Not perfect, just barely holding on, but enough to capture the moment, the atmosphere, and the quiet build-up before the New Year's dive, as the wind pushed across the lake on a freezing morning. A tiny companion, doing its best in conditions far from easy. So, the dive begins. A run toward the water. A plunge into the cold. A few quick dives beneath the surface. And then the sprint back to warm clothes waiting on the shore. A brief tradition, over in moments and enough to last us another year. As for the Neo 2, this is not what it was made for. It's simply too light to handle strong wind, even though the 2-axis gimbal managed to smooth things out better than you might expect. And about the daylight footage, I've already talked about that. Very acceptable and absolutely usable. A tiny drone with clear limits, but still capable of capturing moments you wouldn't want to miss.